Yes, eyes. Big up your themself in a star. Yo, me see one little thing I go on now when I see some chuck on the top. Me see one chuck last week on the top. See what other one. It's on cement over one yard. Then yesterday now, me see one cheap trail over one precipice and bust down power line, Blackout Santa Cruz near here. John, I'm a concerned star. So here what I say now. You see man them, here what I go on. I tell you them something wrong. I don't feel like I driver. I don't feel like I driver them. But something definitely wrong. So here what me I feel like wrong then. Something wrong with the road. And the road something wrong with, not the driver them. Because the driver them frequent them inside there. Man, I got this 3, 4, 5 times for the week and I get on heavy load. So the driver them must know the road. So you know you catch your strong gear. Make your engine carry down your truck. You use up your jakes if you have it. You don't have no jakes. Make you stay in the first or the second. And a patient. And when the truck take 2 hours to reach down where the cow pastor there. Patient. But no, I'm the driver fault. It's the hill fault. It's like some dopey up on the hill. And I just happy chuck them when I go too fast and grease up the brake jump them and them just take off from there. So you hear what me I say now? Something wrong with the hill. So don't make the hill catch you now. So it's as when you reach up and the little divide there. So you didn't have reach where the Congo saw the concrete divide road, you know. From when you snow see a spiritual hill there, so just select the strong gear in the brother and just make the truck here down itself. It don't take long yet and it's boring and it's hot and the engine and it's nice. But watch out now. It's supposed to make money with the trucks them. Remember now, you know, one life in my general. And look, you see the man jump out of the truck and look, you see it. The man could have dead this general. So when I not blame no driver because I never did it and see what going on. So I not say no driver. So I blame the road. It's a road problem. The road there. See? Because you know how they trying to build them road. Then build a runoff ramp. So at the road that problem. The runoff ramp not there. Anyway. Now go up on a serious note now. When we come in this business, we come in to make money. So we can buy house. We can buy crown and markets and dry and wear nice clothes and then sitting there. See, it not happen. See, so as we go back on house now, a lot of people in general mortgage them house to buy trucks. I'll tell you how you mortgage your house now. You take up the title anyway you have a title. For the house, you buy like $25 million. You take it to the bank and say, bank, hold my title. I need $10 million from you. The bank say, alright, cool. And send him validate the house. Yeah, man, the value $25 million for true. You see $10 million you know. You don't owe the bank $10 million you know. You owe the bank maybe $1.5 million. And you're going to take 10 years to pay it off or over long. No, you imagine, you know, go take the bank money, buy a truck, and go look over one precipice and see the truck twist up. When you look over there, when a man tell you, say, yo, you truck over one part there, you know, and you go over there, go look when you see so. You can't make out your truck, you see so. I might truck that. But you recognize the license plate number, you say, right, I might truck that. The truck to twist up. You all of them plate, your belly burn you. The belly burn you, man. So you hear me, I tell my driver, bridging them no man. Something wrong with the hill. I don't know something wrong with the hill, so don't make the hill catch you know. So as you reach up at the top, you know, put in a strong gear. And I see something apply to mommy be a tool too. And the same thing that apply to Chalk Hill, you know. See it? At the road. Me say road, Some of them know we say where the rest of truck man must say. Alright, so on the road then, alright? On the road? On the road, alright. The road I problem. Not the driver.